What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm very excited to give you guys my review of the Air Jordan 1 Low OG in this Year of the Tiger colorway. Today's video is sponsored by who else? The good people from Heffelux. Heffelux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell eTPU insoles, which essentially is the same material you'll find with Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below. You'll see they sell 4 different insole options, so depending on the type of insole density and the cushioning setup you're looking for, whether that's for a pair of thick winter boots or for sneakers, you're going to find there's something suitable for everybody. So I've been a paying customer of Heffelux for years now, and I honestly stand by their products. They truly are very comfortable to me. So if you guys want to check them out and try a pair for yourself, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout to get 15% off your entire purchase. So this in my hand is a very special edition Air Jordan 1 Low that released back on December 30th in Asia. And as of right now when I'm recording this video, it's still unclear whether there's going to be a wider worldwide release later on. However, as the nickname of the shoe suggests, this pair celebrates the new Lunar New Year, in which we're celebrating the Year of the Tiger. So Jordan Brand released this limited edition Jordan 1 Low, which is actually limited to only 5,000 pairs. And living here in Canada, of course, we never got these in any of our stores. And me being of Chinese descent, I had to pick these up to rep, so I had to pick these up on the secondary market. Either way though, these are absolute beauties. So the colorway for this shoe is Sail, Starfish, and Black, and the official name of the shoe on the box tag is the Air Jordan 1 Low OG GC, which I believe stands for Greater China Exclusive. So first off, here's a quick look at the box. Unlike your typical black and red Air Jordan box, this comes in a white and gold colored box instead. And it might be a little bit hard to see on the camera, but all over the box, they've added a very subtle shiny print throughout, which depicts images, for example, of tigers. So you can see on one side of the box, we have the Nike logo once again, but on this other side, we have a graphic of a tiger. And the tissue paper inside the box is also special as well. It features the same graphics that we saw on the exterior of the box. So diving straight into the shoe, this is your classic Air Jordan 1 Low OG silhouette. The base layer of the shoe is constructed out of this cream colored leather, but it incorporates these tiger stripe overlays on top. So the toe box has your standard perforated look to it, but surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, we have a very soft quality cut of leather which is done in the sail finish. This same sail colored leather covers the side wing and the eyelets of the shoe as well. And I also want to point out that the edges of the leather are painted in orange. And then below this on the mid panel, we have more of that darker cream colored leather, once again with those tiger stripes on top. Stitched on top of the mid panel, we have this Nike swoosh, which is constructed out of a tumbled black leather with contrast white stitching. And this swoosh, unlike for example the neutral gray Air Jordan 1 Lows that released last year, they've returned that classic OG size swoosh as opposed to the smaller swoosh that was found on the neutral grays. Moving downwards on the bottom heel, we have more of that very soft sail colored leather, and then surrounding the top of the heel, we have this orange colored leather, and embossed in the center, we have the tiger graphic done in black. For the laces, so these come with 2 different pairs of laces. The standard default lace these come with is a flat black colored lace, which matches the look of the stripes, but they also give you a secondary pair of sail or cream colored laces, which is the pair that I personally kind of prefer. Underneath this, we have this thin tongue, which is constructed in what feels like a very soft nylon or almost satin material. The outer edges of the tongue are reinforced with this black colored nylon, and we have this black tag on the top with Nike Air branding in orange. And on the back of the tongue, you'll see that each of the shoes are individually numbered. So for my specific pair, this is pair 1,219 out of 5,000 produced. The inner liner of the shoe is also lined in a very soft, very silky-like material, which is similar to the material we found earlier on the tongue. And the liner is covered in the special print that we saw earlier on the box. Moving on to the insoles, these come with their standard foam lined insole. However, the top of the insole is lined once again in that very silky soft material. And from top to bottom, we have that custom print that we saw earlier on the liner and the box, and this is done in this orange colored finish. So the upper of the Air Jordan 1 Low sits atop this solid rubber cup sole, which is left in white, and encased within the midsole but not visible to the eye, there's a Nike Air Sole unit for cushioning and impact protection. And then turning the shoe over to the bottom, so here we have your outsole, which is done in this translucent finish, but it's given this pre-yellowed look. Underneath this, you can see this oversized Air Jordan Wings logo, which is done in black. And as far as the traction pattern goes, this is just your normal Air Jordan 1 Low. So we have this circular traction pattern on the forefoot and Nike branding in the middle. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these Year of the Tiger Jordan 1 Lows. And for those wondering about sizing, so to me, I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in my true size and they fit me well in a slightly roomy way. So I feel like if you have narrow or normal width feet and you like more of that snug one-to-one fit, you might be able to go a half size down, But if you have wider feet and you like a little bit more space in your shoes, then you can definitely go true to size as well. So getting these in my true size, I felt they were a little bit roomier than my normal Air Jordan 1 High, for example. Maybe that's because there's a thinner liner, but there was just over a finger's width between the edge of the shoe and the top of my toe. Moving on in terms of the overall comfort, so these feel like any of your other Air Jordan 1s, except this being a low cut shoe, there is a bit more ankle mobility. So in that respect, it might be a little bit more comfortable than, for example, your Air Jordan 1 mids or Jordan 1 highs. Aside from that though, the underfoot feeling is pretty much identical. It's not going to be that soft. It's a very stable and low to the ground feeling shoe. And as far as an everyday casual use shoe goes, it's going to be perfectly fine, which is what the majority of people out there wear these for. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and the craftsmanship on this shoe, so first off, material quality, I was a little bit split. So this darker cream leather that has the tiger stripes on it, it feels pretty stiff and it honestly doesn't feel like it's that high quality. It has a bit of a plastic-like or synthetic feel to it, but in contrast, this lighter sail-colored leather covering the toe cap, the eyelets, and the back heel, this feels much higher quality in comparison. You run your fingers across it, you can see those natural leather grains, and it feels like a good quality, genuine cut of leather. And similarly, this orange hit on the back, this is more similar to the sail leather than it is on this darker cream leather. So it's almost like two material components are good, whereas one isn't that good. But in terms of the overall craftsmanship and the build, I really thought this was a very well put together shoe. I didn't notice any visible glue stains and no major loose threads or anything like that. So at least from that respect, it was a very well put together sneaker. So with all that out of the way now, let's toss these Year of the Tigers on feet and I'll show you guys how these look. All in all, while this isn't necessarily the easiest shoe to rock, this is a very loud, very bold colorway, and I think when I rock these, I'm definitely gonna let the shoes be the star of my outfit. However, by replacing the black laces with these cream ones, I think it tones it down a little bit, but I still understand completely if you guys aren't fans of the design. Again, for me, a part of the reason why I was so adamant on picking these up, even for resale, is because of my ethnic roots, and I just thought it's a very fun, playful design, and it pays homage to the Year of the Tiger very well. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Air Jordan 1 Low and this Year of the Tiger colorway. What are your overall thoughts on the design? And is this a pair you guys would pick up for the right price? Or is it more of a pass for you? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Your love, your comments, your support is the reason why this channel is where it is. You can also follow me on Instagram as well at esco8, follow me on Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and hopefully it helped you in some way, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video.